Here are few iPhone settings that you may want to turn off right now to help you improve your iPhone usage and everything else. Now we will start with going to settings application, then we will scroll down until we find privacy and security section. Click there and it will open new page. Now you will scroll down until you find analytics and improvements. Click there and there will be these options: analytics data and share iPhone analytics. So if you go to analytics data, you will see here that there is a lot of feedbacks and data that is sharing from your iPhone to Apple, so you can help them with their improvements on everything. If you want to keep your privacy here, just turn off this share iPhone analytics button. It will turn gray. You can also turn off this share iCloud analytics. If you have improved Siri or improved assistive voice, you can turn that off too. Now, if you have app privacy report, you don't need that. So if it's on, just turn it off. Then you can go, for example, if you have some suspicious application here that are using your microphone, click on microphone and check every application that has microphone usage enabled and just turn it off. Now we can go back and go to our applications, click on apps, then go to Safari application. It will open new Safari page with a lot of options. We will just scroll down until we find privacy and security sections. Now click on this hide IP address. If you don't want your IP to be allowed to sites, just click on this hide IP address from trackers. Now you can check anything else if you want. You can turn off this private cross-site tracking. You can also clear history and website data, but be careful because this may log out you from every site and website that has your information about your account and logged in, like username and password. So what we could do, we could find our mail application, click here and just click on mail accounts. Now you will see this fetch new data. What this means is basically it pushes from every account, so like Gmail, iCloud, Hotmail, their emails to your phone. Now you can just turn this off. What else you can do is to click this fetch on manually and go everything here, click on manual instead of fetch. So you can do this manual and not your iPhone to do this instead of you. Now what we can do is to make some settings that will reduce our battery aging and keep battery stable. You can do this by going on search or just finding background app refresh. Now you will see a lot of applications that are working on background. They are marked with this green button. If you want to turn everything off, just click on this first option and click on off. Now you can check only if you want to Wi-Fi, so you save your mobile data. As you can see here, just check everything. If you don't need your application to work on background, just click on it and it will turn gray. Now, what else could you do is to go to your battery options and scroll down until you find applications, battery used by app. If you see some app that's suspicious and uses a lot of battery usage, you can delete it or just restrict it. As you can see here, Instagram worked like an hour in background. You may don't want to do that, so just turn off background app refresh. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. So before we end the video, this will be a bonus tip that I forgot to add in normal video. and I am recording it lately. It's about your location services. You can find it in privacy and security section, and as you can see here, it's first one, location services. Click here, and here you will see every application that is using your location. As you can see here, a purple arrow indicates that an item has recently used your location, and the green one indicates that your location has been used in last 24 hours. Now you can also go to application and select if you want that application to locate and have access to your location. For example, this astronomy, I don't need it and I will set it to never. There are few options that you can decide. It's never, ask next time, and will using the app. Many of these you don't need. What else you can do is to just disable location services if you don't want your iPhone to be located somewhere, or click on share my location, and here you will find share my location button. I don't want my location to be shared, so it's on gray, turned off. And you can also click on find my iPhone if you don't want this application to run. You can just turn it off also with find my network. This send location, send last location will send your last location when battery is low to Apple, so you can track within the Apple. So that's it.